Welcome to Snorgo. Snorgo is a simple-to-use, patent-pending device developed in the UK by the Sonaids team. Snorgo isn't like many of the other devices you'll come across. You don't wear it at night to ease symptoms. Snorgo aims to cure your snoring. Snorgo works by training your mouth muscles. This training takes only a few minutes each day. The trial data for Snorgo has been staggering. Those prepared to put in those few minutes each day, just for a few weeks, have had great results. So if you or your loved one is suffering from snoring and you're in need of a solution, visit our website at www.snorgo.com.